Taking a look at these Lucidsound LS35Xs. I've only had them about 3.5 months. And as you can see, they're developing a pretty serious crack where this ear pad swivels. And it's evidence of a bit of a design flaw. You see that little plastic white piece in there? So when you put the headphones on, it's going to flex out like this. And if you look at the inside here, you see all these cracks right along here. And you can push them in and out, but you'll see when I try to flex it, look how far out it comes. And that's what happens when I put it on my head. For it to be flush with my ears, you flex this piece. And that little plastic piece is pushing right up against the plastic, and it's cracking it. It actually happened on both sides. Let's see if you can see on the other side. You see those little cracks right there? It's just like on the other side. And right down the middle, and then 3 on the inside. Yeah, look at those cracks. So there's a pretty serious design flaw. Thankfully, Costco is exchanging these out, warrantying them for me. So I'm going to get a new pair and see if the same thing happens again. I suspect it will, just based on that little plastic piece that's in there. But hopefully this will be a heads up and someone will get it fixed in the near future.